morning YouTube, what's happening? Welcome to Johnny's Garden Maintenance with Neil McAwee
and Johnny Coyle.
You're all very welcome to the channel, folks. You're enjoying the videos, please do us a wee favour and like,
subscribe
and comment. We really appreciate it. It helps us build the channel, bring you the best possible content. Today, as you can see behind us, we have a wee Hypericum here.
You know, not much in them.
We have a wee salvia just to the side of it. The other day I got a phone call from a customer, and it was a good phone call. Annette's her name, and Annette said that her son, Joshua, 15-year-old son, Joshua, I think you're 15, if not you can correct me buddy. Joshua is a fan of the channel. He's one of the earliest fans of the channel actually, so he told his mother that
he's a dairy local.
And he's a dairy local, he lives in our town. So he told his mother that we were on YouTube and his mother should get us out to do the job.
Because Joshua is a big fan of ours and there's really not much work in this job. It's like 20-minute tidy up on these little bushes here, so we just came out and was basically going for nothing. You know, we're in there anyway, 20 minutes out of our day. It's just basically a thank you for you know, being a fan and supporting the channel, really.
Yeah, so we just want to give back to our local community, guys. Anybody that's supporting us, we like to do them a favour as well. So just a wee video, we're going to trim these two bushes. Hope you enjoy.
If you'll fly for it, no point keeping the camera there like that, because you'll tear fruit. So I'll just follow you here. If you take a couple of shots.
Nice.
This is the garden here, it's the wee salvia, and this is the Hypericum. You know, not much in them. And then, what a view that is, eh? If you can. The story behind that boat is that a guy in Belfast bought it for £1, and he got it stranded in the flood.
Guys, as you can see, this Hypericum here, it's really big. It's actually gone under the neighbour's yard as well. Nice wee shape, so it's nice and compact and tidy. This salvia here, this is just got a bit leggy as well, so just give us a wee tidy up. Wee quick job for a customer.
city side and we're actually in the water side. So water side, when you're looking onto the city,
chicken trimmed, one salvia trimmed.
All tidied up, going, and we were on a relatively quick type of day. It wasn't like 20 minutes. Usually these jobs are quick enough, but when you get cutting it so on,
Exactly.
you just have to keep going until it's right.
I think it's a wee 10-minute job, probably half an hour job, but as I say, we're giving back to the local community. This young man here, following the channel, he's subscribing, he's commenting, and he's supporting us, so
Big shout out to Joshua and his mum for getting in touch, you know.
thank you, Joshua. Cheers, buddy.
Thanks for the
And
support.
Annette, thanks very much, and we hope to get more work off you in the future, so stay tuned for more content coming your way.